As part of their industrial visit, the students of Universal International School have visited local bakeries, restaurants, malls, and factories to understand different production methods. The students' team led by Mr. Mark gave an introduction to the production management and its relationship with other functional areas of business, such as 1. Marketing management, 2. Human resources, and 3. Finance. Mark explained that production is about creating goods and services. Managers have to decide on the most efficient way of organizing production for their particular product. Production process helps in creating value by applying labor on land and capital. Improves welfare as more commodities mean more utility. Generates employment and income, which develops the economy. The students visited a bakery to understand what is job production. Job production is the manufacture of individual one-off, or unique items made to customer order and specifications. The product is seen through the whole process, from start to finish, by an individual or group of workers. The production of the next individual item does not begin until the previous job is complete. Each order is different and may not be repeated. For example, a customer can order for a particular flavored birthday cake. Other examples include made-to-measure suits, development of software for a specific business needs, and personal or commercial paintings. Job production offers varied challenging jobs which increases employees' motivation and morale. However, job production will be time-consuming and expensive because it is labor-intensive. Now, the students are visiting a clotting factory to understand what is batch production. Batch production involves the production of identical products made in batches. The group remains together as it passes through each stage of production until all processes are complete. Changes may be made between batches. For example, a batch of a particular size of jeans is produced and then a batch of another size. The process, therefore, includes a delay between batches while equipment is changed or recalibrated. This is known as downtime. Other examples include several houses built together using the same design and structure, and certain design and size of tables and chairs are made. This is a flexible way of working, and production can be changed from one product to another. However, more warehouse space is needed for stocks of raw materials and semi-finished goods. Finally, the students are in a car manufacturing company Rodo to understand flow production. Flow production is where a large quantity of standard products is produced in a continuous process, sometimes referred to as mass production. Flow production is highly capital intensive and has high setup costs, requiring firms to operate near capacity. Businesses which follow flow production method usually gain from economies of scale. This leads to lower unit cost, and therefore lower prices and high sales. However, setup cost will be huge, and the production system is inflexible. In conclusion, there are three important production methods: job production, batch production, and flow production. The most appropriate method will vary from business to business. Both internal and external factors influence the selection of suitable production method. If you find information in this video is useful, please like and share this video. Thank you, and happy learning.